Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you all how I achieved this really simple ombre holographic nail design. If you want to see how I achieved this, then please continue to watch. Today's video is in collaboration with Madam Glam. Thanks again for sending us over this package for me to try out today. If this is your first time hearing about Madam Glam, they are vegan, cruelty-free, HEMA-free, and also free of 21 harshful ingredients that most gel polishes will usually contain. I was so excited to go in and pick up some of these colors, and I've definitely been eyeballing it for a while now, especially with you guys. Some of you have had questions as you've had like previous gel reactions, so this was perfect timing, and I'm really excited to show you guys different looks utilizing these gel polishes as well. So the last one that I showed was actually a ink color. These two are the holographic colors. The very first one was like a stone color, which is super duper pretty. It's often referred to remind you of like sand, so it's perfect for a nice beach vacation. And this one I was really looking forward to. You guys know I love my nice natural base colors that have a pinky tone, and that is going to be this color here. Per usual, I'm going to start off this video by first applying my gel tips. So these are pre-etched. I'm just simply starting off with clean nails already, and I've done all of my prep. You see here I'm just applying the glue inside of the nail, not using a ton of product whatsoever, just a generous coat. I'm going to apply the tip towards the cuticle at a 45-degree angle and allow that glue to flow forward to the tip of my natural nail, and then I'm flash curing it for about 10 seconds. Here I'm just repeating those same steps for everyone, and for those who have seen me apply my gel tips over and over again, I sped this up for you guys a little bit, and you can always move right along to the design portion of the video. This is how the nails are looking once I've applied all of the tips. And then I'm going to go into my lamp and cure it for 60 seconds. Next, I'm buffing up the surface of the nails just to remove all shine. This just helps to adhere the gel polishes to the gel extension much better. Typically, when you're applying gel polish on a very shiny and smooth surface, it can cause pilling and lifting. So I do get this question quite a bit. That is why I just lightly buff up the surface of my gel extensions. Once I'm done buffing the nails, I'm going to go in with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol. And then I'm just going to wipe off any dust that may be around the nails as well as under the free edge. You can also use a brush. I just prefer alcohol. And we just want to make sure that we have all dust removed so that we don't have a lumpy base. Now onto the actual nail designs. I'm going in with Soft Pink from Madam Glam, and I will be applying that all over the nail tips. After applying the Soft Pink to all of my nails, I'm going to go ahead and cure that in my big lamp for 60 seconds. And this is how the nails are looking with just the Soft Pink on, and this is so pretty to me. I would just leave them like this, top coat it and call it a day, but I really want to use one of the holographic gel polishes. So we're going in with this one here, and this is in the color Candy Cane. And from here, I'm just applying that candy cane on half of the nail tip. This color is so pretty. Like, I was so excited to use this, and I cannot wait to create more nail tutorials utilizing more of Madam Glam's gel polishes, especially with them being vegan and HEMA free. I'm going in with this little old gel brush. Honestly, I've pretty much ruined it, but it's perfect for going in and blending the gel polish up to really feather out the harsh line and create a nice gradient ombre. I'm just repeating this step for all of the nails, going in and just like lightly patting and feathering back that line so that we don't have a harsh line. Pretty happy with where we are with the ombre at this point, so I'm going to go ahead and cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. Next, I'm going in with my tried and true top coat from D&D. I will be applying a generous coat of the top coat onto all of the nail tips. Now that I'm done applying that top coat, I'm going to go ahead and cure my nails in the lamp for the final cure for 60 seconds. And this is going to be our final look. I hope you guys truly enjoyed today's video, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what you would like to see next. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.